What's up my sugies, Ashley here, and in today's video I have an amazing Sephora haul. Recently they had their amazing Rouge and all of their Beauty Insider sales depending on what level you are, and I got a whole box of goodies. So if you are interested in seeing this video, then just keep watching. Alright you guys, so as you know, Sephora recently had one of their sales, and as a Rouge member I got 20% off, so I took the liberty of stocking up on some Christmas items for me and of course the people that I love. So one of the first things I got is this amazing brush set, and they had a couple, so I made sure to take my time and go through all of them to find the right one that I thought would be the best fit, and I decided on the Shimmer and Shine collection. Now these are Sephora makeup brushes. It comes with 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 brushes and a little carrying case, and I think this was around 50 bucks, and then you get your 20% off. I thought it was super cute, super simple. It has little sparkles on the brush handles, as well as I love the fact that it came with a good variety of brushes. Sometimes these brush sets come out with like these really weird brushes that I personally would never use or rarely use, so this to me is a very good starter kit for someone that doesn't do a lot of makeup. The next thing that I picked up is this amazing lash stash collection. It includes 2 full-size mascaras, 8 deluxe-size mascaras, and a set of false lashes. So if you know someone in your family or friend circle or just simply yourself that love anything mascara, then this is the perfect gift for them. The next item I picked up is a multiple repurchase for me. I love this. This is the Drunk Elephant Proteiny Moisturizing Cream. I'm obsessed with this. I don't know what the difference is between this and the purple one, but I know this trumps the purple one tenfold for me. It makes my skin soft and smooth. It never makes me feel dry. It never makes me feel oily. It balances out whatever it is that's going on, especially with the weather and hormones as women. Sometimes our skin can be really dry or really oily, so for me this is essential in balancing all of that out. It reinforces and hydrates with 9 peptides, and it's great. The next item I picked up was truly on a whim, but it was on sale, and you can always see that kind of thread on their app, and I decided to pick it up and try it because the reviews talked about the fact that it had a really good color range. When I did the shade finder, it said that I was S14, and when I got it home and tried it, it was actually a really good match for me, and that is the Stellar Foundation. Now this I don't know a lot about. It just says that it's imperceptible coverage that gives you the glow of the stars. Universal colors that are buildable and long-lasting for impeccably polished skin. It looks like this, kind of similar to the Huda Beauty foundation. It's a little deceiving. It looks very light in this package, but as you can tell by the pump, it is definitely not that color. It's a lot darker. It is a nice, I would say, light to medium coverage, very liquidy foundation. Definitely buildable, and I just think it's something that's nice because it's not super expensive, but it gives a nice color payoff and it gives a nice bit of coverage. I think I got it for 19 bucks, and then with the 20% off around 16, which you really can't beat. I mean, that's getting pretty close to drugstore pricing nowadays. Next up was a hair care product I am absolutely obsessed with. I don't know if it's because I'm using it in conjunction with the shampoo and conditioner, but this stuff is a freaking lifesaver. If you are blonde or you just have a lot of damage done to your hair, this stuff is amazing. It is a Kerastase in the Resistance line. This is a serum. It is a dual treatment fiber quality renewal care. It is something that you leave in. It's a pump. It comes out kind of like a face moisturizer in 2 colors. One is clear and one is white. And on the back, it just says that this is a dual treatment fiber quality renewal care for extremely damaged lengths and ends. So it's something that I rub in the ends, and then whatever is left, I'll just put all throughout my hair, brush it out, and then style it. Whether it's curly, I've used it today, or straight, it makes it very soft and it makes it feel very healthy. I was extremely conscientious about watching for breakage because that's something I'm kind of dealing with at the moment, which is why I've gotten the shampoo, conditioner, and serum. And so far, I have not seen any breakage come off like on my shirt, or as like if I'm shedding and there's a couple of hairs that come out. So for me, that really makes me feel like whatever is in this, whether it's the fibers or the strengthening serum, conditions, the magic that's inside is working. So I'm going to do an update. I've just started using the shampoo and conditioner 2 weeks before I got this serum, so beginning of November. I'm gonna do a follow-up maybe at the end of the year to give it 8 full weeks just to see kind of like what it does. If it really helps those ends stop breaking so like my bangs can grow out and I'm not really having that mullet look anymore, that would be awesome. So I will keep you guys posted on that. Stay tuned. Okay, the last few items I got, first is the Clarisonic. I just replenished the brush for my Clarisonic. I think I have like the Mia 2, and I got the deep pore brush head. I use it. It's amazing. It works. For those of you who wear a lot of makeup, I like to take a cleanser and cleanse my face first and then go back in with that and just really go in a second time and get all of the rest of the makeup off, then do my toner and my moisturizers. And I've seen a really big difference in the texture of my skin and the fact that it is more balanced as far as oily or dry. The next product I was completely shocked by. I was trying to get a loose powder that had a little bit of color to it so that it wasn't making my foundation too light after I'd put it on. So I decided to try the Huda Beauty Easy Bake Loose Powder, and I got mine in the color Blondie. And this, I don't know what that girl is doing over in Dubai, but she's definitely onto something. First of all, her packaging is freaking amazing. Whatever scent she put inside, like, it smells like, I don't even know how to describe it. It just smells amazing. Like, it feels like you're putting like just rich amazingness on your skin as you're bouncing it into your pores. It smells luxurious and amazing. It's not too heavy, it's not too light. I couldn't say enough good things about it. But it's a little bit of a darker yellow tint to it. It's wonderful. I feel like it definitely is not drying, which a lot of them can do. I think another great thing for me is I tend to get these, I know everyone has them, except if you're 21, you probably don't. But these, you'll start, don't worry. These little lines under your eyes are like faint wrinkles. It's like not a full wrinkle, but you know a wrinkle's coming in like 5 or 10 years. So these little faint wrinkles, it tends to, depending on the powder you use, set inside there. Whatever this is, as you can see, you can zoom in, it's very smooth. It's smoothing, it's beautiful, the color is perfect, it's not too heavy. Like I said, I've tried them all, and to me, this is my holy grail, my new favorite. All right, this is something that I'm probably gonna wear one time, but because I support her and love her and I absolutely love this color in other people, I'm gonna continue trying it. I'm not saying that I wear it well, but I'm giving it a valiant effort. And it is the Fenty Beauty new holiday stunner lip paint in the color Underdog, DAWG. I love that. But it is a beautiful, true blood red color. You're kind of unsure of how deep the red is in the bottle until you try to put it on. Just make sure you have some dedicated time set aside for doing this because it's going to take you a hot minute. You think a red lip is hard? This is like putting on black lipstick. It is on a whole nother level. All right, last but certainly not least, I got something that I have been waiting a very long time for. Mine is absolutely ragged and broken, and I'm going to donate to someone in need. But I decided after much research to go ahead, break the bank, and get the GHD blow dryer. This I decided to get in addition to the curling iron and straightener that I've done a review on, which you guys can see on my channel as well, as I absolutely love them and think they are the most amazing quality out there. I have tried a ton of different blow dryers, and the one that I had was not bad at all. I just wanted to try this one because, like I said, I loved the straightener and curling iron that I had. This is amazing because it does come with the flat nozzle so that you can blow your hair out straight. It also comes with the diffuser ring that you put on so that you can put your diffuser, whatever diffuser you have at home, onto that. Happened to work out for me that my old diffuser that I had with my old blow dryer fit onto the attachment, so I didn't have to buy a separate one. But do keep that in mind because your girl was reading a little too fast and she missed that part. It does have a low and a high setting as far as speed. It does have 2 heating settings as far as how hot it can get. I've used it once for my hair blowing it out straight, and I've used it once with the diffuser to get my hair curly, and as you can see, this is the result. My hair being blonde is very difficult to get it curly and to get it nice. It's either hard and stiff, or it's so soft that it's droopy like a wet noodle. So this to me is gotten a really nice result, and like I said, when I blew it out straight, it was super soft. I definitely feel like it did dry it faster as well. Not by a landslide, but it definitely did cut down on my dry time. All right, you guys, that completes this haul from Sephora. I hope you got some good ideas for Christmas gifts and holiday gifts for your friends and loved ones. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel and find me on my social media, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.